the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I am down here in our aluminum shop getting a new bedside, and then I'm replacing this inner. So if you look at the back of this old bedside, it has a couple sound deadening pads on it. These are some generic ones I have here. They're just peel and stick. But you want to warm them up. So I'm going to use a heat gun to warm them up to make it stick better. Alright, I got this one all fit together. My gaps look good where the bedside meets up to the tailgate. So I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes where I'm going to be putting some blind rivets at, and then I will lift this bedside back off, get my panel bond adhesive on it, and get this rivet bonded on.